everyone, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. So in this video today, you're gonna see me struggle to throw my 2-year-old a birthday party, and hopefully I can pull this off. We are gonna, do our best and try our best to give him a good, fun, enjoyable kind of a day. और कुछ गिफ्ट्स उसके लिए लेंगे और घर को डेकोरेट करेंगे. And if you know anything about me, you will know that I'm a really big birthday enthusiast. Like I don't care if it's your uncles, neighbors, daughters, nieces, nephews, cousins' birthday. If I get to celebrate and decorate, I'm going to do that. Hopefully this video will serve you maybe as a tutorial or just a fun 9 to 10 minute watch. So if you're interested, stick around, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, make sure to subscribe down below and hit that bell notification ताकि आप तक मेरी तमाम वीडियोस पहुंच सके. सबसे पहले तो हमें डिसाइड करना है थीम. So I was thinking about doing a jungle theme, and actually last year भी मैंने jungle theme ही plan किया था, but I really want my husband to bring a couple of things, and then he bought something, and you know how husbands work. तो जो पार्टी थी वो कुछ जंगल से लेके कुछ कलरफुल थीम तक चली गई थी. I'm gonna insert a little bit of footage or pictures over here on the screen for you to see. और it turned out to be good. But this year I really wanted it to be a jungle theme क्योंकि right now he is really very interested in wild animals. And by the way, like my philosophy of a child's birthday is to make sure that your child actually enjoys his or her day, because it's their day. Then I'm not against gathering or anything like that. पर आई गेस वो गैदरिंग जिनमें बच्चे मुसलसल रोते रहते हैं और अनॉय होते रहते हैं और फिर उन्हीं की बर्थडे होती है और वही सबसे ज़्यादा परेशान होते हैं, इट जस्ट डजंट मेक good sense to me, but I can be wrong. So here is what I have written on a paper. You can obviously not read it, like this is literally a literal image for you. I don't know why I showed you guys, but I really need to have some green balloons, some animal balloons, some animals, obviously not real animals because we live in a flat, we cannot have real animals over here, but we can have fake animals like toy animals and things like that. Like he already has toy animals, so I really don't need to buy those. So next time you're gonna hopefully see me, I am going to be in a mart or a mall or a shop or something like that. So we just bought a couple of books for him as gifts, and I'm pretty sure that he is going to be very, very excited when he sees those books. So these are all the things that I bought for the birthday decoration, and basically this is empty. All the things are right in front of me. So I actually really wanted to produce as less of a waste as possible, पर वो कुछ possible नहीं हो पाया because थीम ऐसा था कि मुझे घर में से बहुत ज़्यादा सामान नहीं मिला. Actually मैंने मेरी हस्बैंड की जो लास्ट ईयर की बर्थडे सेलिब्रेट की थी उसमें जो डेकोर बनाया था वो सब मैंने घर के पुराने शॉपिंग बैग्स में से बनाया था. I'm gonna insert a picture for you if I could find one. But I'm not really happy कि this birthday is not going to be a zero waste birthday. This is actually going to be a really wasteful birthday that I'm not really proud of. But I'm gonna reuse all the things. Anyways, I bought a cardboard sheet because I really wanted to do some kind of a DIY. I bought this thing because this was shiny and I really didn't bought any kind of ribbons or anything. So I am going to use this instead of a ribbon because I thought that this looks like what? Like a plant or something. अच्छा जी, उसके बाद ये हैप्पी बर्थडे का साइन था, मुझे थीम के हवाले से नहीं मिला. जो मिला है उसके साथ I'm gonna attach this and I'm gonna some kind of DIY thing in there. I'm gonna make it into a jungle theme type of happy birthday. उसके अलावा the thing that I'm most excited for are these balloons. So this one is a zebra balloon, this one is a leopard balloon. So I'm really happy that I found these because I really wanted to have these. And if you saw the my Pinterest board that I actually showed you guys earlier, उसके अंदर भी ये balloons. अच्छा, उसके बाद I just bought some regular balloons. Now I bought this big package because I actually use these balloons throughout the year. और मेरा बेबी काफ़ी इंजॉय करता है बलून से, वो टॉय से ज़्यादा ऐसी चीज़ों को इंजॉय करता है. तो ये एक ब्राउन बलून का पैकेट है, फिर डार्क ग्रीन है, फिर लाइट ग्रीन है, बिकॉज आई रियली वांट टू मेक लाइक ए ombre kind of effect. I don't know how I'm gonna do it, but I'm gonna do that. And then I bought some extra trash these balloons, और ये आधे खो भी चुके हैं because when you have a toddler in your house, it's just impossible to keep track of everything. Anyways, then I bought some glue, some liquid glue and some stick glue, hopefully to do something out of everything. And actually the day I'm filming this right now, my baby's birthday is tomorrow, so we actually have to decorate it tonight. So next time you're gonna see me decorate, and hopefully it is going to turn out good. Fingers crossed. So I really want the theme to be brown and green and everything. The greens on these balloons turned out to be a little bit like a sea green kind of a green, but it's fine. Like, you know, we are just gonna make something out of all of these things. Okay, so to begin with, we have this brown carpet, which is just like, ignore, you know, it's a little bit dirty, but this is what we have. And we've got everything. So I actually want to make some leaves out of this, just for the sake of, you know, just giving it a little bit more of a like a jungle look. And also we've got some of these toys that we can use as a decor, or we can just, I don't know what, like I actually have no idea, but we are gonna do something. And I'm now actually thinking to pull out my Pinterest board again, just to look and see for a reference. So yes, I already told you guys that you're gonna see me struggle, but we're gonna do something. We are gonna do something. So for some reason I thought that this is going to be easy. Like, you know, you just have to tie some balloons together and you are just, you know, going to end up with a balloon arc. But apparently balloons are not really cooperative. They are just as cooperative as toddlers are. So I have completely ditched these, whatever these things are called, because they are really just not working for me. So I have come across this idea of using a woolen thread, and this actually seems to be working. Like you can see, like I have got a little bit of a art piece part going on right here, and I've got one green over there, and I've got some other things that I'm going to tie all together, and hopefully we are going to end up with something. The original idea was to use this wall, but जो balloon arch थी उसको properly fix करने के लिए, you know, the plan shifted here, and you can see I used actually the jute ropes to tie it all together, और ये cardboard जो था उसके मैंने leaves बनाए. So it just, you know, a couple of DIY things and a couple of already ready-made bought things, and this turned out to be really cool actually. बहुत सारे balloons हैं. I'm actually gonna give you a video of how it looks next. So I forgot to tell you that I also made digital birthday invite for him, and that I'm going to show you on your screen right now. And also we gave a couple of gifts to him that I'm going to show you right now on the screen. And with that, that was all for the day, and he really enjoyed the day, we really enjoyed the day. If you enjoyed the video, make sure to give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in my next video. Till then, take care.